chair is not just a chair, it's a throne. I love watching my wife getting boned.